Are you tired of listening to the same old guitar songs? Do you crave something unique and captivating that will transport you to another world? Look no further. In this article, we present to you the ultimate playlist of 5 fingerstyle guitarists that will revolutionize your music collection. With their mesmerizing melodies and intricate fingerpicking techniques, these artists are sure to leave a lasting impression on your soul. Tommy Emmanuel, the master of fingerstyle. If there's one guitarist who has mastered the art of fingerstyle playing, it's Tommy Emmanuel. With his lightning-fast fingers and impeccable technique, he can make his guitar sing like no other. From heartwarming ballads like Angelina to energetic tunes like Guitar Boogie, Emmanuel's repertoire spans across various genres, making him a true virtuoso. What sets Tommy Emmanuel apart is not just his technical prowess but also his ability to evoke deep emotions through his music. His performances are filled with passion and intensity that resonate with listeners on a profound level. So if you're looking for an artist who can take you on an emotional journey through their music, Tommy Emmanuel should be at the top of your playlist. Sunga Young, the YouTube sensation. In today's digital age, talent knows no boundaries or limitations. Sunga Young is a prime example of this phenomenon as he rose to fame through YouTube by showcasing his extraordinary fingerstyle skills at a young age. What makes Sunga Young stand out is not only his incredible technique but also his ability to arrange popular songs into beautiful solo guitar pieces. From pop hits like Ed Sheeran's Perfect to classic tunes such as The Beatles' Yesterday, Sunga Young transforms these familiar melodies into mesmerizing instrumental renditions that captivate audiences worldwide. His youthful energy and innovative approach to fingerstyle guitar have made him a favorite among both guitar enthusiasts and casual listeners alike. Andy McKee, the pioneer of percussive fingerstyle. If you're looking for something truly unique and groundbreaking, look no further than Andy McKee. Known as the pioneer of percussive fingerstyle guitar, McKee combines intricate fingerpicking patterns with percussive techniques to create a mesmerizing musical experience. Songs like Drifting showcase his ability to produce complex rhythms and melodies simultaneously, creating an entire orchestra from just one instrument. With his innovative approach to guitar playing, Andy McKee has pushed the boundaries of what is possible on the acoustic guitar, inspiring countless musicians around the world. Antoine Dufour, the master of melody. When it comes to crafting beautiful melodies on the acoustic guitar, Antoine Dufour is unparalleled. His compositions are filled with intricate harmonies and delicate nuances that transport listeners into a world of pure beauty and serenity. Tracks like Ashes in the Sea demonstrate Dufour's ability to evoke deep emotions through his music, leaving listeners in awe of his talent. With each note he plays, Antoine Dufour paints a vivid picture in your mind, making you feel as if you're partaking in an ethereal journey through sound. Don Ross, the king of groove. Last but certainly not least is Don Ross, a true master when it comes to combining groove with fingerstyle technique. His rhythmic prowess is unmatched as he effortlessly blends complex chord progressions with percussive elements that will make your head nod along instinctively. From funky tunes like Michael 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 to soulful ballads such as Klimbim, Don Ross knows how to get your body moving while still maintaining an incredible level of musicality. So if you're looking for some infectious grooves to brighten up your day, Don Ross is the guitarist you need in your life. In conclusion, these 5 fingerstyle guitarists are a must-have addition to any music collection. From Tommy Emmanuel's breathtaking technique to Sunga Young's innovative arrangements, each artist brings something unique and captivating to the table. Whether you're seeking emotional depth or infectious grooves, this ultimate playlist has got you covered. So go ahead and immerse yourself in the world of fingerstyle guitar. You won't be disappointed.